Hey, hi guys, welcome to PCF. Next we have a and or functions. Okay, and or function. Okay, so let me okay. So what we have, what we covered. So in logical functions. Okay, if you go to the logical function. Okay, so we covered if, switch, and then next we have and. Okay, what is and? Okay, so if you go with the definition. Okay, if you go with the definition, so check whether all arguments are true and then return a true. If all arguments are true, then only true. Otherwise, it will be false. Okay. Otherwise, it will be false. Okay. Yes, that's fair matter. Yes, that one. Yeah. So the syntax is very simple. Okay. The syntax is like and logical one comma logical two. Okay. And condition. Okay. So and function will check only two logics. Okay. It will check only two logics. Okay. Logical one comma logical two. Okay, so I'm giving simple example, guys. Okay, here I'm giving simple example. We'll see the complex example in the filter function. Just try to understand, guys. Okay, so if you write and, okay, and so 10 greater than 2 and 8 greater than 4, something like that. Okay, if you write that, okay, these two logics are true. Okay, so I'm going to write a, okay, I want to print the results, guys. Okay, so if you use the if condition, okay, this is the logic, and then what is the syntax for if? Okay, it will check the logics and the result if true, and then result if false, right? Result if true. So result if true place, okay, we are going to write, okay, so both conditions are pass. Okay, both condition are pass. Okay, both conditions are pass, or else one of them, one or both fail. Okay, one or both fail. Okay, something like that you can write it. Okay, so if any one of these fail, okay, it will be failed case. Okay, so but when you write and condition, whether it is checking, okay, whether it is working perfectly or not, so we cannot see that case. Okay, but to know that, okay, okay, if you use a if condition, okay, so whether this logic is true or false, okay, it will give, and then we can see that. Okay, so let me go here, and then, okay, so let me go here in the Power BI. Okay, let me create some measure case. Okay, let me create some measure. Sorry guys. Okay, discard this. Okay, so now go to the measure. Okay, click on measure, whatever the and condition we have written. Okay, whatever the and condition. Okay, so just I'm going with the and check. Okay, just we are checking, right? So and open brackets. Okay, so it's a logical one and logical two, guys. Okay, it's a logical one. Syntax is a logical one comma logical two. Only two logics it will check, but operator, ampersand operator, guys. Okay, double ampersand. Okay, it will check multiple condition. Okay, that will see that, guys. Okay, that we'll see, check whether all arguments are true and return a true if all arguments are true. Okay, if all arguments are true, then only return true, otherwise it will be false. If any one of them false, okay, it will be false again. Okay, that we have seen yesterday. Okay, and now, okay, 10 greater than 2, okay, comma, it's a one logic, and then so 8 greater than 4, something. Okay, so this is one logic. Okay, if you want to see the results, okay, then obviously you can go with the if condition. Okay, it will check the logics. Okay, if the logic is true, okay, what is that? One or, okay, so both conditions pass. Okay, both condition pass. Okay, you can write that like that. Okay, and then one or both fail. Okay, so let's close this. Okay, then close, and then see the results. Okay, if you want to see the results, where we can see that, okay, we can see the results in measure results. We can see that in a visual card, visuals. Okay, any visual, but we'll go with the card. Okay, that will be very comfortable. So sorry, this and that. Okay, so the both conditions are passed. That is the reason it's giving the conditions. Okay, okay, it's giving the condition, both conditions are passed. Okay, guys, so if you check the results, okay, so if you change anything, okay, if any one of them fail, intentionally if you change any one of them failed. Okay, this is one logic case. Okay, 10 less than 2, is that true guys? 10 less than 2, is that true? No, it's not true. So that is the reason the condition will be failed. Okay, whenever the both conditions pass, then only it will be pass, otherwise it will be fail. Okay, so if we have an ampersand case, okay, it's and always check only two conditions, two logics only, but ampersand will check multiple conditions. Okay, if you want to check sorry, if you want to check ampersand, okay, if you want to go with the ampersand, okay, we'll use this ampersand in filter functions guys. Okay, ampersand and even and conditions and equal operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, everything we are going to use in filter functions. Okay, you don't worry, just here I am just giving the brief about. Okay, here I am giving the brief about the functions guys. Okay, what is and what is r, and then okay, if you write ampersand like this, okay, you can write n number of n number of logics. Okay, 6 greater than 3 and something. Okay, 20 greater than 10 something. Okay, so you can write all these conditions. Okay, if everything is meet, okay, so it will be okay, something somehow it's failed, right? Okay, so if you want to make it true, okay, you can make it true and everything is passed. Okay, so then both conditions, okay, all conditions, okay, instead of both we can write all conditions passed. Okay, okay guys, hope you are getting. Okay, what is the difference between and function and operator? Okay, and operator, okay, and so and operator will check multiple conditions, multiple logics. Okay, it will check multiple logics, and then based on that it will give the results. Okay, if it is true, all conditions are true, it will give the true results. Okay, otherwise it will give the false results. Okay, that is about the and. Next, if you want to see the or guys, okay, if you want to see the or, this one. Okay, so go here and then write something like r or. Okay, so logical 1 comma logical 2 guys. Okay, if you see the r syntax, it's a logical 1 comma logical 2. Okay, return true if any arguments are true. Okay, if any arguments are true, return a false, all arguments are false. Okay, whenever we have all arguments are false, okay, it will return false. If any one of the true, okay, sorry, any one of the true, it will give the true results guys. Okay, so just 10 greater than 2 again, and 3 less than 1. Okay, or else you can write, okay, 3 greater than 1. Okay, so first time we'll return true conditions. Okay, you can go with the if. Okay, the if logical one, it will test, and then okay, the results. Okay, if the results is pass, okay, so then okay, then okay, so condition pass, condition pass, or else condition fail. Okay, you can write like this, and then you can see the results. Okay, condition pass. Okay, whenever both conditions are fail, okay, whenever both conditions are fail, okay, then only, okay, if one condition fail, even though condition pass only will get. Okay, but if both conditions fail, then only the condition fails. Okay, hope you are getting what is or. Okay, so instead of this or, okay, we have a or operator, right? Okay, we have a or operator. Okay, you can go and then see the or operator. Okay, double pipe, and then if you give any condition true base, okay, 10 9 greater than 4. Okay, so one condition is true. Okay, if any one of that condition is true, okay, it will give true condition. Okay, so these first two are fail even though one is true, so that is the reason it's giving the true. Okay, so where we will use all these things and all, okay, I will give definitely guys. Okay, definitely you will understand more depth also, but just try to understand the behavior. Okay, now I am giving only introduction to the functions. Okay, we are going to use these functions in a filter function. I'm saying again and again guys. Okay, try to understand. Okay, so maybe Srin was giving a very basic level, so okay, don't feel that. Okay, definitely we'll give the high level and we will see that. Okay, is that okay guys? Just type. Yeah, okay, super. So that is about the and or. Okay, that is about the and or operators and functions. Okay, operators and functions. Okay, we have seen and or operators and then functions also. Okay.